T-minus 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have ignition of the main engines.
3, 2, 1, 0.
We have liftoff.
Engine cooling water activated.
3,
Liftoff of United
4,
Launch Alliance Delta
5.
IV Heavy rocket carrying the NROL 26 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.
Chief. Full power level on the port core and starboard boosters. Right where we want them to be. T plus 36 seconds. Still going good.
We are listening to Steve Agate in the telemetry lab calling out
Good
the
chamber
flight
pressures
data
holding.
in real time.
Good nozzle steering. Coming up on 50 seconds, partial thrust mode has been commanded in the core booster. Core booster chamber pressures are decreasing to the expected levels. Port and starboard boosters still at full power. One minute, 18 seconds into the flight. Passing the area of maximum dynamic pressure, Mach Q, and also passing Mach 1. Chamber pressures continuing to look good on both the port and the starboard boosters in the full power mode, core booster at partial thrust. T plus, 1 minute, 48 seconds into the flight. Altitude now 3.7 nautical miles, velocity 1,764 feet per second, 1.1 nautical miles downrange.
This is Delta Launch Control, 2 minutes.
2 minutes
the mission.
into the flight.
And in a little
Looking
over
at our
2
chamber
minutes, we'll
pressures,
have
chamber pressures
CBC
continuing to look good.
engine cutoff, and everything looks good at this point. This is
Port
Delta Launch
starboard
Control.
booster still at full power. Core booster at the partial thrust mode. Passing 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Still continuing to look good. Main engine nozzle movement is good. Now passing 2 minutes, 42 seconds into the flight. Delta's vehicle now only weighs 1/2 of what it did at launch 2 minutes, 45 seconds ago. We're now expelling propellant at the rate of about 4,700 pounds per second. 2 minutes, 55 seconds into the flight. Altitude 15.5 nautical miles. Velocity 3,700. 99 feet per second, 12.4 nautical miles downrange. Now passing 3 minutes. Chamber pressures continuing to look good in the port and starboard boosters at the full thrust mode. Core booster at partial thrust. Now passing 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Less than a half a minute now remaining in 3 booster flight. Standing by to go to the partial thrust mode on the port and starboard booster.